Smart process management and worker guidance with PivotWare. Carl is a production manager in manufacturing. With the rising number of models and variants, the growing complexity, the high quality requirements, and the extremely competitive cost pressure, his plate is always full. And to be future-proof, he needs to bolster his manufacturing for process reliability. But how? Carl does some research and finds the perfect system. A process control solution and worker guidance system called PivotWare by Desoutter. For Carl, getting PivotWare is the key step for digitalizing his manufacturing in keeping with Industry 4.0. Regardless of the production environment, the PivotWare process management system coordinates all of the workstation's integrated smart tools and devices. Here's how it works. The PivotWare process management system guides John the worker visually through each step of his task, depending on the chosen product variant. Also, using the touchscreen, he can look up additional information or request assistance. His workstation is equipped with a broad range of sensors to record actions and process them. John appreciates the immediate feedback of the error prevention system as well as the natural workflow. Thanks to the modular concept, Carl can easily upgrade individual stations with new features. If he wants to, he can scale up to a whole production line, for example. The result is efficient line management and balanced production. Carl feeds in his order data straight from his ERP. By recording and evaluating all work products, PivotWare ensures transparent processes and creates a reliable information source for his colleague Sabrina from management. If any processes need adjusting, Carl can now take care of it himself. And thanks to the intuitive editor, he doesn't need any programming skills. No matter the variation in products, Carl remains fast, flexible and self-sufficient. And for his staff, the digital work instructions considerably shorten the learning period. With full customer ownership, Carl doesn't incur any delayed costs either. The process updates are at no additional cost, and individual requests are easy to integrate and convenient to implement. Also, the island-based architecture prevents production outages and provides security in the event of network disruptions. Every station stores the data and build processes locally, synchronizes them with the server, and provides them to all authorized users across the company. Desoutter thinks globally and acts locally. The expert Desoutter technician services both the tools and the software. Carl is excited to get everything from the same place. Now that he's digitalized his manufacturing with PivotWare, he can help himself with error prevention, boosting manufacturing productivity, mastering complexity, and completing documentation and analytical tasks. This guarantees happy customers and maximizes orders. Carl is now perfectly equipped for the future. Do you want to experience the future of digitalized assembly today? Our representatives would be happy to advise you. Desoutter, more than productivity.